folks, I'm in Morrison, Colorado at Dinosaur Ridge, and I have just done a tour taking me up into the hillside so that I can see formations. And one of the things we saw that we got exposed to with our paleontologist tour guide here was to see dinosaur impressions, right? To see footprints in the stone. We saw one that was she called it a butt bone, and you can see the rib of another dinosaur as well in this formation. It's pretty amazing. Got me thinking about longevity, thinking about the impression that you leave behind, or that I'm going to leave behind, and what I can work on today to make that impression better. We talk about fossils in the business world, right? The one that comes to mind for me, blockbuster video. This was one of those examples of the climate shifted and changed, adaptation didn't take place. And what happened? Blockbuster went away, they're a dinosaur. They got supplanted by our needs and desire as customers to download videos as opposed to going and renting them. What can we learn from that? What can I learn from that? Well, I need to be flexible, adaptable, change, focus on making sure I'm adapting to the environment around me to support change, facilitate change. But what can I learn from this? Right? The importance of change and change management, and my own personal viewpoint on continuous change being important. The dinosaurs give us an important lesson, right? The environment shifted and adjusted and changed. They were not able to adjust and shift and change accordingly. Now sure, maybe it was a meteor that came, and that's a pretty big thing to shift and adjust to, but what happens in your life? What happens in my life? Those big meteors that come our way, how are we able to shift and adjust and make things better? That's going to be the true story of whether we're a surviving species, a surviving business person, a surviving family member, or a dinosaur. Which do you want to be?